If you're in the market for a new sports car, we have you covered. KUSI auto expert Dave Stahl has the 2021 Hyundai Veloster N out on the patio this morning. Good morning, Dave.
Hey, good morning, guys. Yep, got the little N model here of the Veloster. Now, this is a three-door, which is kind of odd. You don't have a door on this side to get into the back, but you do on the other side. We'll walk around there in a minute. The N is their race version, and that's the easiest way to explain it. And a lot of people want to know what the N stands for. Well, it's the first letter of Namyang, where the RD is for Hyundai in Korea. And it stands for the Nuremberg Ring, where this vehicle was tested. And man, I tell you, 2.0 four-cylinder turbocharged engine, putting out 275 horsepower, 6-speed manual. You've got 7 different modes to adjust this. You can personalize it, and then when you hit the letter N on the steering wheel, you are ready to go. But you can still get 28 miles per gallon on the highway. I got 27.7 coming in. I'm going on a road trip next week, a press event, I can't believe it, in Arizona with Hyundai. So I asked them to send me something fun, so here's what they sent me. So I can't wait. It's going to be a fun 3-day trip out to the desert. But and this is a no frills. I mean, it doesn't have seat heaters. It doesn't have a phone charger. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of things that you would want, but it has the basics. It's got navigation, and it's got all the safety features that you can't, get away from. A lot of people don't like stick shift cars. I personally love them. I'd take that over an automatic. And yes, you can get a dual clutch paddle shift automatic in this particular model. It'll cost you just a little bit more money, but the seats on this are race inspired. And you're probably wondering, what is with the blue seat belts? Well, the actual Veloster N, when it first came out, it was this color with red accents. They even put it on the steering wheel where you're getting a little bit of the blue on the wheel. And that just lets you know that this is the more performance-minded automobile. The other thing that's interesting, at night in the seat here, this N lights up, and I mean, it's pretty cool actually when you get right down to it. And I've got a project I'm doing today. So just to show you, I mean, you can get a lot of gear in here. That's a 5-foot mirror, got a carry bag, some camera gear. I mean, it's more than doable, if you're a small family. That both seats do flip and fold down. And here's where what I mentioned about this, they put this door over here, and you're probably wondering why only 3 doors? Well, because they just thought they could get away with it, and they did. And I like the fact they put the 3rd door on the passenger side for safety. Base is out at $32,250. This one's loaded up at $33,245. So from a price point, it's really a good investment. And if you want, I will have to say, if there was a teeny bit of a downside, it doesn't do well on rough roads, because the suspension on this vehicle is definitely set up to go screaming through the mountains and cut the corners, and throw it on a racetrack. You could have more fun than you can possibly imagine. So that's the 2021 Hyundai Veloster N. Oh, and if you buy one, you get the first 3 years or 36,000 mile free maintenance, plus a 5-year 60 bumper to bumper, and the 10-year 100,000 powertrain. You're totally covered. Fun car, less than 40. Go get it.
But Dave, what does it sound like when you hit the gas?
Oh, you want to hear that little rascal?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
We can do that.
Definitely. And what color is it again?
Would you know? Racing red.
Racing red. Write me a ticket red.
Ah.
So it's got a little burble to it.
Nice.
Make sure I put it in the right gear. Yeah, it's got plenty of go.
Nice car.
Oh, it's a good sound.